how to update your Grindr app to its latest version. So first open the Play Store on your phone. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search button, which is located on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on the search bar and search for Grindr. Then tap on the app and make sure to open the app you have already installed. So if your app is not updated to its latest version, you'll see an update button instead of open. But because my Grindr app is already updated, there is no update button currently. So it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, goodbye and take care.